Hello and welcome to video tutorial how to install a mail server on Windows Server 2003. To install a mail server, click on Start, then go to All Programs, go to Administrative Tools and click on Manage Your Server. In Manage Your Server, click on Add or Remove a Role. Click on Next in Preliminary Steps window. Now in Server Role window, select Mail Server POP3 SMTP and click on Next. You can see the description that Mail Server uses the POP3 and SMTP services to provide email delivery and tools for creating and managing email accounts. Now in Configure POP3 service window, enter the email domain name. Here it is mydomain.local. Then click on Next. Now in the summary window, click on Next. Enter the Windows Server 2003 CD when asked, or click on Browse to enter the alternate location for the file. After entering the location, click on OK. Setup will now copy the required files. Now this server is now a mail server window. If you want to view help, click on view the next steps for this role. This opens the help for configuring your mail server. Here you can see various tasks to manage your mail server. Close the help window and now click on Finish. You can see that Mail Server POP3 SMTP role has been added to Manage Your Server. To manage this mail server, click on Manage this mail server. This opens the POP3 service. Here you can add mailbox for the users. To add a mailbox, click on Add Mailbox and enter the name for the mailbox. Here we will be creating a mailbox with name John, and we will check the box Create Associated User for this mailbox. This means that we will be creating a mailbox for John, and also we will be creating a user with name John in Active Directory Users and Computers. Enter the password for the user and click on OK. The mailbox was successfully added. You can see here that if you are using clear text authentication, account name will be john@mydomain.local and mail server will be server01. And if you are using secure password authentication, account name will be John and server name will be server01. Click on OK. Now let's configure the email for user John. To do so, click on Start, go to All Programs and click on Outlook Express. In Internet Connection Wizard, enter the display name for the user John. Here we'll be entering John and click on Next. Enter the email address. Here we'll be entering john@mydomain.local. Click on Next. In email server names, enter the POP3 and SMTP server name. Here it is server 01. Click on Next. Enter the name for the account or leave the default. Enter the password for the user and click on Next. Do not check the log on using secure password authentication and click on Next. That means we are using clear text authentication method. Now click on local folders and then click on inbox. When you click on send and receive, it will ask you to enter the username and password. Here you can see that username is John. As we are using clear text authentication method, we need to enter username as john@mydomain.local. Otherwise it will not accept. You can see that when we enter the username as John and password, it is not accepting. So enter the username as john@mydomain.local. Now it will accept the username and password. Now to test the mail server, we will be sending a mail. Click on create mail and in to address enter the email address of the same user, that is john@mydomain.local, and enter some text in the mail body. We'll be entering a subject as test mail. Then click on send. Then go to inbox and click on send receive. You can see that mail has been successfully delivered. This means that mail server is working properly. You can also open POP3 services from administrative tools. To do so, click on Start, All Programs, then select Administrative Tools and click on POP3 service.